Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create account on Wise. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to write the Wise here. So as you can see, after writing the Wise, you will see the official website. If you want to read about the Wise, you can read all the things that are provided here. You can also check the details here. And now we have to click on this. Now we have to click on this link. So let's click on this. If you want to send a money, you can also do that. You have to click on this. If you want to open an account, you have to click on this. Or if you have already created an account, then you have to click on the login button. We have to click on the registered button because we want to register. We want to create an account. We want to create account. Then we have to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on it, what we need to do, we have to write the email address here. And if you want to continue with Google, you can also do that. It's up to you. So I'm going to click on the Google. So basically, I'm going to select this email. So let's click on this. So as you can see, it will ask for the option that which type of account you want to open, personal account or the business account. You can read the description as well. So I want the personal account, then I'm going to select this one. So as you can see, here's the option for the where do you live most of the time. By law, we may need to ask for proof of your address. By law, we may need to ask for proof of your address. So as you can see, now you have to select the country. For example, I'm going to select the Pakistan. And now I have to click on the continue. So let's click on the continue. And after that, I have to write the contact number here. And then you have to click on the send verification code. Then you will get OTP. And you have to write that OTP here. And then simply you have to add your password. And after that, your account will be ready to use. I'm not going to add the mobile number because I have already created my account. So that's why. So you have to follow these steps, and after following these steps, your Wise account will be ready to use. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create account on Wise. So see you guys in the next video.